Seasons. Today we're going to do an easy first cook. First we're going to start by taking a bag of charcoal and we're going to put it into the grill, get it all the way around. Then I like to put a couple of wood chips in for added flavor. These are hickory. And the easiest thing I have found is just to take part of the Easy Light bag and light it up. It's got a lot of the lighter fluid on it, so it makes it really easy to start the fire. Just put it in like so, and it ought to fire up. Okay, it's been about 30 minutes. I'm going to check and see if the cook ring is all ready to go. I put a little water on it, sizzling. It's ready. Okay, now what I'm going to do is take some olive oil or canola or high heat oil, lightly coat your ring with that. Take a paper towel with some tongs, rub it into your ring like so, all the way around. Got a nice coat on it. I am cooking hamburgers today, and my boys are back in town. They are both runners, and they have gone out for a run, and they are going to be starving when they get home. And I'm planning on cooking hamburgers and some corn for lunch. I'm going to add some wood to the fire. Love it. It gives some ambiance. Kind of fires it up even a little bit more. Then I've taken off, put my hamburgers on the grill. I'm going to put them on the hot spot over here. You can hear them sizzle. I made some big patties because they are going to be starving when they come in. I'm going to add some tomatoes over here. Couple of peppers. This just really is pretty on the plate, if nothing else. But a lot of people love it. I love a cooked tomato. Got some red ones. Got these out of my garden this morning. Love to put a little fruit on. It's a nice little garnish too. Then I have got some Boursin cheese that I'm going to let melt, put it in a skillet, and then I'm going to add corn to it as soon as it gets a little melted. Toss that in the cheese like so. Get them coated. When I get them coated like so, I'm going to add them over here. Take them and put them on the grill. Just like this, get a couple of little grill marks on it. And I'm leaving the cheese right there so it will melt and we can put them back in it. Ooh, that is good. Yum. Okay. Now I took a little butter, put it on the buns. they taste good. You can't leave these on long at all. Okay, they will burn up. There we go. Okay. One of my sons is from Lexington, Kentucky, home of bourbon. And I tell you, he brought in some Maker's Mark, and I thought, why not add a touch to the hamburgers by just throwing just a little bit of bourbon on those burgers. What do you think? What do you think? Okay, time to put the corn. It's got a little bit of some grill marks on it. Put it back into the skillet, kind of roll it around, let it get some of that good horse and cheese on it. While we're waiting for the burgers to cook, we'll take a little salt, sprinkle some salt on it. Add a little parsley or actually cilantro for color, I'm sorry. The buns are all ready to go. Pull those off. Are ready. Time to take them off. Oh, the boys are going to love this. Okay, we got that. I'm going to take my scraper now. Get some of this off. I'll clean it up. All that grease going into the ring. Okay, looks like the corn is all ready to go. I'm taking it off. This is a really great, easy first-time cook. Hamburgers, chicken thighs, you might want to try a steak. Anything that's really something that you know how to do and do it all the time, just on your regular grill or even on the stovetop. I hope you enjoy.